You're welcome back. This is the lesson 2 of the module 4, Sell Your Skills. Utilizing networking events and platforms to expand your professional network. Networking events and platforms are powerful tools for expanding your professional network. So here are your key needs. For networking events, choose the right event. That's the first thing. You need to know the event that you'll be going to. Select networking event that align with your professional goals. Look for events relevant to your industry, interest, and target audience. So, as someone who wants to expand his growth, who wants to expand his network, professional network, you don't hear that there's this program or there's an event or there will be an event related to your that will be in relation to what you do, and then you won't be concerned, or you don't want to go, or you're feeling shy, or you feel you're an introvert, you don't want to go. There's no way you will grow like that. You need to attend, you need to break that shackles. All right. So select networking event that align with your professional goals. Look for events relevant to your industry, interest, and target audience. Very, very important. So now set clear goals. That is, define your objectives for the event. Are you looking for job opportunities or seeking potential clients or aiming to learn from others in your field? Having clear goals help you focus your efforts. Why will you be going to that event? Why are you going? These are the things that you must have at the back of your mind. Are you going there to look for job opportunities? So if it's for job opportunity, you know that you really want to put yourself there. That's why in the previous lesson we talked about your self-introduction and elevator pitches. All right. So you must have this one on point so that you know that this is what you're actually seeking in that event, or seeking for potential clients, or aiming to learn from others in your field. You have to have this very set clear goal before going to that event. Prepare in advance. Research the event, its speakers, and attendees. This will help you identify key individuals you want to connect with and provide conversation starters. For example, before the event, now you already researched the speakers. Now, probably you've been eyeing one of the keynote speakers that you would like to connect with that person. That would be a perfect opportunity, a very, very perfect opportunity for you to connect with that person. So, at the end of that, obviously, you need to you must have researched that person as well. You must have been following that person for some time. That's a smart thing to do. But after the event, you walk straight to that person. You break that circle of being an introvert or being shy. Also, you need boldness and confidence in this game. You need boldness and confidence. So you need to go meet the person and introduce yourself. We talk about self introduction. You introduce yourself, and then you let your intention know, that is, you want to connect with the person. You want to learn from them. Simple. Perfect your elevator pitch. Craft a concise and engaging elevator pitch, as mentioned earlier, to introduce yourself effectively in a short time frame. You need to know how to do that. Now, actively engage, be approachable, and initiate conversations with others. Don't wait for people to come to you. Ask open ended questions, listen actively, and express genuine interest in what others have to say. You don't wait till people come to you and then they start introducing themselves or they want to connect with you. No, you to go out and meet people. So with that, you are building your confidence. If you attend one event and then you try to, at least in this first event, you connect with two people. That's a good start. That's a good start. Now the next event, you take it higher. You connect with five people. That is people that you intentionally go to meet them. So now there are five. So that's how to continue to increase your boldness, and then your confidence will continue to increase. So people will also come to you for introduction. They'll come to you for connection and all of that. Right. Now the next point is you collect contact information. Bring business cards or exchange WhatsApp contact, whichever way that you want to exchange your information. Ensure your own contact information is readily available. All right, that one is a no-brainer. You should know your number, you should exchange your number, whatever, whichever means you follow up. After the event, follow up with the people you've met. Send personalized emails or WhatsApp messages or LinkedIn connections requests mentioning where and how you met. This keeps the connection alive. Now, after the event, okay, they told you their name on maybe Instagram or on Facebook, or their username on LinkedIn or WhatsApp, whichever way that you guys have connected. Now you need to send them message. Be the first to send the message. Hi, this is so and so from so and so event. Then you thank them for connecting with you and or giving you the opportunity to connect with them. Then attend workshops and sessions. Participate in workshops or breakout sessions if available. This provides opportunities for in-depth learning and networking with the like-minded individuals. So this is just like a mini meeting in a big meeting. All right, then that's like a breakout session to where you guys can have a quick chit chat. Okay, now offer help and value. Be willing to provide assistance or value to others, even if it doesn't immediately benefit you. A helpful attitude can lead to meaningful relationships. Sometimes you don't just do something because of what you will gain. You need to do it because of the fact that you're a good person. You need to do that. So, once you are doing that or once you've done that, there will be, the law of reciprocity. That thing will always come back to you. If you do good, good will come back to you. So if you do that, a time will come. Maybe for example, there's someone that you meet and that person needs a service or needs a service, and that service you can't provide it, and then you know somebody that you've connected with in the past who can, you just recommend them to themselves, all right? You recommend that person to this other person that needs that service done. So with time, that other person that you've recommended will one day also reciprocate that particular good. All right, that is how life works. Now, build relationships, not just contacts. That's the last point under this point. Build relationships, not just contacts. So focus on building genuine, long-lasting relationships rather than merely collecting contacts. Networking is about quality, not quantity. It's not about the amount of people that you have on your contact list that matter. All right. What matters is that the quality of your relationship and the quality of the people that you have on your contact list. Out of the 1,000 people that you have on your list now, how many of them are beneficial to you? You can have 1,000 people and there are 1,000 people on your list, and then none of them, or maybe like few, they are beneficial to you. And then you may have like 200, and out of the 200, like half of them, they are beneficial to your life, to your growth, to your professional growth. So you must be very, very careful about that. So you must aim at building a long lasting relationship rather than just accumulating some random contacts. So quality over quantity at all times. See you in the next video.